Now we will see the Bootstrap models. What basically model is, it is a kind of pop-up which appears when the user clicks on some button. So we know how to where to write the code right inside the container. Now I have added one button here like open model button. Okay, and these are the this is the way how this is the way you can add the model. So we will start with the inner part, like there is a model header, model body, model footer. Now the header is used to display some kind of heading and the close button. Model body is used to display the content of the pop-up, right? And the model footer will display the footer things, right? Now all the three things are added inside this model content, which is inside a model dialog and the model class, basic thing, right? And we have this data toggle property model here, and by using the id here, data target id, we can refer which model to display if we have multiple models in our web page. So we have to remember this model header, which is used to display some heading, model body and model footer, and all the three things are added inside the model content, which are inside the model dialog and which are inside the model class, basic thing. Now let's demonstrate this with a simple example here. Now I will take the container class here, container class, adding the button here like model, open model here. Okay, and taking the div class as model. Okay, now inside model we have the model dialog, and inside the model dialog we want content, right? So we have to add the model content property here, model content class here, and inside this we can add the header. We can also skip it, but it is mostly used, model header. Similarly, we can add the model footer here, and we can also add the model body here, right? Now inside header we can add the headings, like we want some heading for the body we can add the body here, and for footer we can add the footer. Simple. Okay, so these are the three blocks inside the model content, and model content has to be inside model dialog and model. Now we want to add the proper button, so we use the class which we have seen, button, and button primary for this. Okay, and we will give the data toggle property as model, and what we want, data target, so that when we click on the button it should click the exact button here, my model, and we'll give the id to this model as my model. Okay, let's see what it displays. Now this is a model button. When I click on this, it is displaying this heading, some body and the footer, and it has added this line boundary, so we can add the content inside body properly like this. Okay, in this way you can add the model. Now to add the how to close this one, by default it is closing, but you can also add the close button here also. So for that we have this button, this and times this HTML entity which we have seen previously. So we can add this inside the header. Okay, here I can add this, and this close button has this data dismiss property, so it will dismiss the model with this property, right? Okay, so this was about the models in Bootstrap. Simple thing.